I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins at the opening market minute for Tuesday, September 30th. Soybeans, corn, and wheat are all lower in the early going. Now the soybean and corn harvests are a little bit slower than normal, and winter wheat planting is also behind the 5-year average. But forecasts for much of the Midwest and Plains over the next several days do look warm and dry, and that should help harvest and planting activity. There's also position squaring ahead of the USDA numbers out today at noon Eastern, 11 a.m. Central. Specifically, we've got quarterly grain stocks numbers, which effectively serve as ending stocks for the recently ended marketing year on corn and soybeans, and a reflection of first quarter usage for wheat, in addition to the USDA's small grain summary, which is basically a wheat production update. And these could be the last meaningful numbers from the USDA out for a while if the federal government is unable to avoid a shutdown later today. Live and feeder cattle are lower, pressured by yesterday's decline in box beef, waiting for this week's direct cash cattle business to get started. Bids and asking prices remain poorly defined. Packer inquiry could start to improve Wednesday or Thursday. And hogs are lower. Pork did close lower on Monday after being up at midday, and there are a lot of questions about sustained domestic and export demand. With the opening market minute for Tuesday, September 30th, I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins. Stay tuned for this afternoon's update.